How to affiliate on CNFans. Let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is log in to your CNFans account. So once you're done logging in using your email or your Apple ID, go to your account section, which is what you will find here. And then from the sections right here at the left corner, you need to go down to the bottom and you can see the word here called affiliate and simply just click this button. Then it'll take you here. So this is where you can become an affiliate. So basically what you need to do is just copy an exclusive link. Then what you need to do is paste this or send this link into your homepage and to people. And then you need to advertise it. And then have people, once they click your link and they invite you people, you'll be able to confirm your receipt of affiliate commission. And by receiving your affiliate commission, you can start earning some money by being an affiliate. And as you can see all the rewards right here, the totals invited, the withdrawable, the pending, and the withdrawal monies from the affiliate program. And that's how you can basically become an affiliate in CNFans.